Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is NaturallyAJ come to you with a great recipe for a very delicious berry smoothie. First of all, we're going to take a good handful of frozen spinach. It's always good to keep your spinach in the freezer so it will last a long time. But anyway, back to the smoothie. Here we go. Now I'm going to take my berries. Oh yes, this is full of great berries. I have tart cherries, dark sweet cherries, blueberries, and sliced strawberries. So delicious. I bought this from Target. It was about $7 or $8, but a good blend. You'll love it. All right, now after you add the berries, we're gonna grab a frozen banana. Where's that banana? Come on, banana. Come up here. All right, there's the frozen banana. Just one, break it up into about fours, whatever you can do. Put that in there. Then after we do the banana, we grab the vanilla Greek yogurt and we add about come on now, Chobani. Okay, I was showing it off to you guys. And we're gonna add about a good 2 tablespoons to this mix, and that should do it. It'll give it a nice frothy blend. So that's that. Then let's take that raw honey. Oh, I love this honey. It is so delicious. Raw, unfiltered honey. And I add, I would say about a good tablespoon to this mixture. That's all you need to add a little sweetness. After that, we're gonna add filtered water, pure filtered water. And we're gonna pour about 1 cup into the measuring cup. Pour, 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 pour. Here we go, here we go, here we go. All right, that should do it. Take that water, pour it in the mixture. Yes, yes. Now we're ready to blend. Where's my top? Where's my top? Where is, oh, there it is, here it is. Okay. You screw on your top. Then we're going to mix it around. We're going to mix it around really well. Then I'm going to mix it for about 60 seconds. And here we go. Okay, now after the first 60 seconds, I shake it up to make sure all the ingredients get mixed together very well. Then I do another 60 seconds, and here we go. All right, it is finished. Now, let's take the top off. You see that vibrant color? If I could, take it off, girl. You got it? Okay, good. You got it. You got it. Okay, let's screw that top off. Pour that good tasting smoothie. Come on now. In my glass. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. You guys see that? Beautiful color. Beautiful. Looks refreshing, doesn't it? Oh yes, look at the glass. Let me grab my straw. Love my straws. Here we go. Let's taste. Yes. Oh my goodness. This is so awesome. Oh, make you want to take your glasses off. Ooh, that's how good it is. Okay, she played too much. But anyway, all right. Try this at home. You guys will definitely love this. Why go to a smoothie bar where you can make your own smoothies at home? Trust me, give this a try. You will love it and you will thank me later. All right, I'll see you guys later. God bless.